Hi, my name is Marvin Vergara. I just recently graduated this past spring semester from ASU as a BME undergrad, and I'm participating in the 4+1 program at ASU so I can earn my master's in BME as well. I currently live in Mesa and have lived in Arizona for pretty much my whole life. I was born and raised in Casa Grande, which is about an hour south of Tempe along the way to Tucson. Some interesting facts about me. I play basketball and piano in my free time. So I guess you could say I'm pretty ambidextrous. I'm left-handed, and I'm the only left-handed person in my family. Um, yeah, speaking of family, my both of my parents are from the Philippines, and they came over to America in the 90s. And I also have a sister who's in high school right now, and she's thinking about the BME program at ASU also. She's a junior right now. I also love to travel with my girlfriend. I think some of the coolest places I've been to are probably Australia and Hawaii, where both times when we've gone snorkeling, we've seen some sea turtles, which was pretty cool. Um, I'm interested in taking this course because it's an area that I've really only been exposed to my freshman year during BME 100. But yet I'm always hearing news or updates just in my daily life about stem cell research and its evolution and all the different applications that it has and how it's kind of expanding and could be a really good solution in the future. And even right now, it's probably a good solution too. So I'd love to see if this field of research is something that I could get involved with down the line. Something I'd like to gain from the course is a better understanding of the field, kind of as a whole, where it started and how it came about to be where it's at right now with its current features and techniques and applications and things like that. I'd love to learn more of the details as well of what these researchers are doing and how they're really making all kinds of breakthroughs. Um, so I guess lastly, when I'm not working on this course or my other courses, I'm typically at work as an R&D engineer over at Becton Dickinson, which is BD. It used to be Bard, but it was purchased by BD. So I work specifically in the biopsy field on various products, from single-use biopsy needles to reusable capital systems where you can take multiple samples and have less insertions of the needles for the patient. Um, so yeah, that's a pretty good summary of me. If you have any questions, just feel free to reach out to me. I'm a pretty friendly guy, and yeah, I'm pretty excited for this course and for the rest of the semester.